3 meme coins, billions in market cap, millions of holders. But if you could only choose one, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or Pepe, which has the biggest upside in 2026, stay with us because the answer might surprise you. Welcome to Crypto Orbitz, where we break down the biggest crypto trends to help you stay ahead of the market. Let's start with Dogecoin. DOGE remains the king of meme coins with a market cap of around $10.92 billion and a price near $0.07038. Your chart shows buyers defending support around $0.069, while price is attempting another move towards $0.071. Doge has unlimited supply, meaning long-term price growth depends heavily on demand. Next is Shiba Inu, trading near $0.0005018 with a market cap close to $2.95 billion. The chart shows SHIB recovering after a pullback, suggesting buyers are stepping back into the market. Why investors still like SHIB? The downside. SHIB still has an enormous token supply, so strong adoption is needed for major price appreciation. Finally, Pepe. Pepe trades around $0.0002944 with a market cap near $1.21 billion. Among the three, Pepe has shown the strongest short-term momentum. The chart displays higher lows and a recent breakout attempt, while community sentiment remains highly bullish. But remember, higher potential also means higher risk. So, which meme coin is best? If you're looking for long-term stability, Dogecoin remains the safer choice. If you want ecosystem growth, SHIB stands out. But if you're chasing aggressive gains and can handle volatility, Pepe could offer the biggest upside. If you enjoyed this comparison, smash the like button, subscribe to Crypto Orbitz, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next crypto market update. Which meme coin are you most bullish on? Doge, SHIB, or Pepe? Let us know in the comments below. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.